In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or allow for third-party cookies on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your Chromebook web browser and select the three-dotted menu icon at the top right, and then go down and select Settings near the bottom of this list. On the left side, select Privacy and Security, and then you want to go where it says Third-Party Cookies, select that. Select Allow Third-Party Cookies, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.